Hello students, today I am going to discuss chapter 9 algebraic expression, and the topic is multiplication of expression. Multiplication is of many types: monomial to monomial, monomial to binomial, monomial to polynomials, and then polynomials to polynomials. So first we will discuss monomial to monomial. As I have written one example here, 4x into 3y into 5z. All these three are independent terms and they are monomials. So when we are multiplying monomials to monomials, first we are multiplying the numbers. Constant terms we will multiply first, and then variables. Variables are not like, so as it is I have written, and 4 into minus 3 into 5. As you can see here children, I have multiplied the numbers with their signs. Sign is very important while multiplying expressions. The answer is 60 minus 60 xyz. Now you can see the second example, that minus 5x into 5x square y. So minus 5 into 4 will be multiplied first, and x into x square into y. As you can see, x into x square both are like terms, so power will be added. It will become x to the power 3 y, and number minus 5 into 4 it will become minus 20. Next is monomial to polynomial. As you see the example, 5x into 2x plus 3y. The 5x will be multiplied with 2x first and then 3y. One by one it will multiply to each term of second expression. After follow the rule, we can get the answer is 10x square plus 15xy. Just have a look on second example, that is minus 3x is multiplied with minus 5y plus 3z minus 2. Monomial to trinomial. Similarly, it will also the 3x, that monomial term is multiplied with the each term of this second expression, this trinomial. After follow the rule, and very important to follow the sign multiplication. This minus 3x into minus 5y plus minus 3x into 3z minus 3x into 2. Minus minus will become plus 15xy. This minus 3x and this plus sign, both this plus sign and minus 3x, it will change the sign, and this sign will become minus 9xz, and minus this minus and this minus will become plus 6x. The next is polynomial to polynomial. Take a look, first example, the 5a plus 4b into 2a plus 3b. Both are binomials. So as you know children, this 5a, first term of first expression, will be multiplied by one to the second expression, and then the second term of the first expression will be multiplied further, like that only. I have followed the procedure, 5a into 2a and then 5a into 3b. I have written like that, 5 into 2a, 5 into 3b, and then 4b into 2a and 4b into 3b. Separately I have written everything. Then after solving, you can get the solution 10a square plus 15ab plus 8ab plus 12b square. As you see here, 15ab and 8ab both are like terms, so further you can solve like 10a square plus 15 into 8, 23ab plus 12b square. The next example is binomial to trinomial, a plus b into 2a minus 3b plus c. Similarly, we will follow the same process. This a will be multiplied with all the terms first. So a into 2a, then a into 3b, then a into c. Negative sign, as we have adjusted according to their signs only. And after solving, you can get this answer. Never forget to add the like terms. If we are getting here like terms, so we will bring it together. As you can see, minus 3ab and 2ab are like terms, so we have bring it together and then solve it. And those who are unlike, we have kept it as it is only. So this way children, you can multiply expressions very easily. Thank you.